Managing your business's cash flow can feel like a constant battle, juggling bills against incoming payments. But your biggest cash flow problems are often invisible, hidden drains that an outsourced CFO is trained to find. Why are they missed? Your internal team is often too deep in daily operations to see the bigger financial picture. An outsourced CFO service gives you the strategic oversight needed to transform your cash flow management. We'll show you the shift from reactive to proactive, detail specific operational fixes, and reveal advanced financial strategies. Are you constantly surprised by cash shortages? This reactive cycle is the first problem a strategic CFO solves. They build active cash flow forecasts, not static reports. These models anticipate future needs and seasonal trends. They also implement dashboards with key performance indicators, providing immediate insight for data-driven decisions. This isn't only about growth, it is about building resilience. A CFO helps create cash reserves to safeguard against downturns. This strategic foundation isn't just theory. It provides a clear plan for allocating resources to achieve long-term goals. This initial phase moves your business from financial firefighting to deliberate navigation. You gain control. Strategy is useless without execution. The most direct way to improve cash flow is to get paid faster. Fixing receivables and payables is vital, but it's just one part of a powerful financial engine. First the fixes, then the full system. A CFO doesn't just chase late payments. They re-engineer the entire accounts receivable process from the ground up. This starts by automating invoicing and segmenting aging accounts by risk, focusing collection efforts where they matter most. Proactive credit management prevents future problems by setting clear limits and adjusting terms based on customer payment history. Managing cash outflow isn't about slowing payments, it's about optimizing them by negotiating better terms and using discounts. Beyond billing, a CFO acts as a financial detective, analyzing your cost structure to find hidden inefficiencies that drain cash. They also provide access to sophisticated financial software for forecasting and analytics that most SMBs cannot afford alone. Cash flow is tied to profit. A CFO will analyze your pricing strategy to confirm it's not just competitive but profitable. So we've improved forecasting and fixed operational leaks. What is the next level? This is where true transformation occurs. Many businesses have trapped cash sitting idle in inventory or receivables. An expert's goal is to liberate it. This is measured by the cash conversion cycle, or CCC. It calculates the time between spending money and getting it back as revenue. The objective is to shorten this cycle as much as possible. A negative CCC means your customers are financing your operations. Remember we said fixing AR and AP was part of a bigger engine? The cash conversion cycle is that engine, the complete view. Faster AR collections shorten the CCC. Optimized AP terms shorten the CCC. Better inventory management drastically shortens the CCC. It is a single metric reflecting your entire cash flow system's health. Optimizing it fuels growth without new financing. Let's put all the pieces together. How do forecasting, operational fixes, and the CCC create a complete system? Your forward-looking forecast now informs your AR and AP strategy. You know precisely when to push for collections or pay early. Optimizing the cash conversion cycle systematically finds those hidden drains we mentioned at the start. A long cycle is the ultimate hidden drain. It's a virtuous cycle. Better operations provide better data, which leads to more accurate forecasts and smarter strategic decisions. An outsourced CFO provides this entire system of strategic financial leadership without the full-time executive cost. Through this oversight and expert guidance, an outsourced CFO doesn't just manage cash flow, they turn it into a strategic asset. Imagine knowing your exact cash position, understanding future needs, and having a clear plan to meet them. This is financial control. If you're ready to stop reacting and start commanding your company's financial future, it may be time to see what an outsourced CFO can do.